Need to use a branded presentation template, but the POTX file is confusing you? This is Microsoft's standard format for reusable PowerPoint designs. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you exactly how to create presentations from these template files. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware. I've kept the most effective POTX file solution for the tough cases near the end. POTX files are PowerPoint Open XML Template files used by Microsoft PowerPoint to store reusable presentation templates. They contain slide master layouts, theme definitions, color schemes, fonts, placeholder configurations, and sample slides that serve as starting points for creating new consistently branded presentations. POTX files are PowerPoint Open XML Template files used by Microsoft PowerPoint to store reusable presentation templates. They contain slide master layouts, theme definitions, color schemes, fonts, placeholder configurations, and sample slides that serve as starting points for creating new consistently branded presentations. We suggest testing the POTX file first with the utility Microsoft PowerPoint from Microsoft Corporation. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows can show limited details, but full control needs presentation applications. The solution begins by systematically testing the programs. Right-click the POTX file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft PowerPoint as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be methodical in your testing. If you still can't open the POTX file, it's okay. The source is most likely one of 3 common issues. Let's review this simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, create a new presentation. Double-click the POTX file and PowerPoint automatically creates a new PPTX presentation based on the template. The new file inherits all slide layouts, themes, and formatting defined in the template. Begin adding your content to the pre-designed placeholder areas on each slide layout. Next, edit the template itself. To modify the template, right-click the POTX file and select Open instead of double-clicking. PowerPoint opens the template file for editing. Modify Slide Master's layouts, color themes, and placeholder configurations, then save to update the template for future use. Finally, use in Google Slides. Upload the POTX file to Google Drive and open it with Google Slides. Google converts the template, preserving most layout and formatting elements. Some advanced PowerPoint features may not convert perfectly, so review the imported slides and adjust any formatting inconsistencies in the Google Slides editor. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.